Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Telegram without phone number. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as we all know, Telegram requires a phone number for verification. Now, if you don't want to use your personal phone number, you can go ahead and log in or sign up without using your personal number by just using a virtual phone number service. Okay, you can go ahead and use Google Voice, Hushed, or even text free. Okay, these services right here, okay, these services provide a temporary or ideally permanent virtual number that receives the SMS or verification code needed to activate your account. So if you want that option, by all means, go ahead and use it. But do keep in mind, again, those services might give you a temporary number only. Okay, so temporary means you can't log into it once your number expires. That's just the sad thing about it. Okay, so go ahead and log in or sign up for a Google Voice, Hushed, or Text Now account. Grab your number, put that in here, add the country code, hit on next. And once done, you'll have your Telegram account without using a physical SIM card. So once you have your account, okay, you can go ahead over to settings and then add in your username. As creating a username allows others to find you via your username instead of typing down your personal or virtual number. Okay, now there you have it. And that is how you use Telegram without phone number. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.